So today I am in the West Valley side and I'm touring here in Buckeye, Arizona. In Buckeye, Arizona, I am touring the community of Bentridge by Lansing Homes. I absolutely love this builder. I will be showcasing the grand floor plan in their Canyon series. This is a total of 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, just over 3,000 square feet. This is a really nice floor plan, really great incentives, and the location is really awesome too, so stay tuned. Hey, what's going on everybody? Kamusta Kababines. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. Hey, if you're brand new to my channel, I go around both the East Valley side and also the West Valley side, and I tour new construction communities. I also do area tours as well and do some resale homes. So guys, if you're in the market for real estate here in Arizona, or in the market especially for new construction homes here in Arizona, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button, and follow me in all these home tours. And guys, if you are looking to purchase here in Arizona, I would absolutely love to help you. I've helped numerous buyers already purchase here in Arizona, and I would also love to be a part of your journey. So again, guys, we are here in Buckeye, Arizona. If you are unfamiliar with Buckeye, Buckeye is on the West Valley side, and Buckeye is one of the fastest growing cities in Arizona and also in the nation. Buckeye is growing so fast, guys. I mean, there's so many land out here and the builders are just picking them up. Okay, so we are visiting one of the many builders that are currently building here in Buckeye, Arizona. I'll put up a list for you so you can see some of the builders that's building currently in Buckeye, Arizona. This builder right here is Lansing Homes. I have sold some Lansing Homes in the past, and I absolutely love the quality of their build and also the layout of their floor plans. We are here in the Bentridge community touring in their Canyon series. Stick around to the end of this video. We'll go ahead and talk about the HOA. We'll talk about what is close to this community in proximity as well to, Phoenix. This is also close to Luke Air Force Base, just everything here on the West Valley side. We'll go ahead and talk about all that stuff in the end of this video. Okay, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and tour the grand floor plan. Okay, so here is the grand floor plan. Now there's a few different exterior elevations here. I'll go ahead and put that up on the screen for you. This one is the Desert Prairie elevation, okay? So really nice floor plan, guys. Again, this is a total of just over 3,000 square feet. So 4 bedroom, 3 bath home. As soon as you walk up to the front door, really nice, comfortable front patio area here. Always nice to sit out in the front. As soon as you walk through the front door, and you have nice 9-foot ceilings there, tile flooring throughout. Love the neutral colors in this look as well. Off to the left-hand side, you have this comfortable area here, very spacious too. I like how it's just not like a hallway and then, boom, it's just the bedrooms, right? So you have this nice kind of landing area here. Off to the left-hand side around the corner, you have a nice spacious bedroom here on the main. Now this is a queen size bed. So just to give you a little point of visualization on how big this room is. There's the bedroom closet. Downstairs too, you have a full bath or 3/4 bath. And then here is the coat closet, shoe closet. And then across is the entrance to the 3-car garage. Open den area here. You can make this into your office space or just have it as they do, another kind of entertainment space, away from the main living room. Here is the main living room, just right around the corner. Very spacious main living room here. And then here's the dining area. Okay. As you notice, there's still a lot of space to walk around. It's not tight at all. And then here is the kitchen. So really nice flow, open concept style. Okay, this is like a gourmet style kitchen. You have the microwave range. You have the microwave and oven stacked. You have a nice range, electric range there. Nice vent. And also the large island. Okay, a lot of counter space here. You have 42-inch uppers on the top. I like black cabinets. What do you like the black cabinets? What is your preference? Let me know in the comments below, but I think this is a really nice kitchen. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look outside. Now again, in the Canyon series, the lot size on this collection, the lot size in this series are looking at 45 by 115, okay? And when you purchase a new construction home, guys, unless you have it in the contract, the backyard is going to be usually bare. Now, it's fairly rare for them to agree to a finished backyard, depending on the home, how many days it's been on the market. If they're trying to take it off of their inventory, they may agree to do something similar to the backyard, very low maintenance landscape, that desert landscaping style, right? Just like this. But usually, more than likely, the backyard is just going to usually be bare, okay? But this is a good point of view on what you can do with your backyard, with the space that this home has. All right, there's your AC units over there. But really nice backyard. So let's make our way upstairs. Oh, let me show you the pantry real quick. Here's the pantry. Pantry is actually pretty deep. Nice large pantry there. All right, so upstairs, really nice large landing area here, landing pad. It's not tight at all. There's 3 bedrooms total on the upstairs. We'll start off here on the left-hand side, which looks to be the primary. Okay, you have a storage closet here for linen, but here is the primary bedroom. Walking up those stairs got me out of breath. Jeez, gotta do more cardio. But check this out. Nice large primary bedroom. Here's a primary bath, nice soaking tub. You have the stand-up shower. And then here is your sink area. A lot of counter space. And here's the closet. And the toilet area. Okay, so that's off to the left-hand side right when you walk upstairs, okay? Right off of the primary, you have a bedroom here. This is nice, for your youngest. Usually when I speak to, families, usually they like to put the youngest closest to the primary bedroom. Or if you have a newborn, that would be a nice area for the newborn to have the nursery there. It's right next to the primary bedroom, so that is really nice there. Here's the laundry room. Good sized laundry room. And going around the staircase here, you have a full bath. And then here's the 3rd bedroom upstairs. And then if you haven't noticed already, check out this massive loft. It is huge. Really nice loft. So again, you have the 1 bedroom here, and then you have the 2 bedrooms just right when you walk up the stairway. And then you have that 1 bedroom downstairs. So a total of 4 bedrooms. Really nice layout in my opinion. Always like to have a bedroom downstairs just for, guests or in-laws. That's always convenient for them. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the HOA and other information about this neighborhood. Okay, everyone, that was the home tour. Again, that's the grand floor plan. I hope you enjoyed it. I personally think it's a really nice floor plan, how they have the 1 bedroom downstairs, the 3 bedrooms with the large loft upstairs. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So, hey, let's talk about the HOA. HOA is $117 a month. That covers your tot lots, common area maintenance. That's what that $117 cover, okay? As far as the different homes here in this community, again, we're in the Bentridge community. There's 2 different series here. You have the Canyon series and also the Peak series, okay? The Canyon series are gonna have homes with the smaller lots. The Peak series is gonna have homes that will have the larger lots, okay? In the Canyon series, you're looking at 6 homes total, 6 different floor plans, combination of both single level and also 2-story level homes, as well as the Peak series. Peak series are gonna have a combination of both, but it's gonna have 5 different floor plans, okay? Build out times, there's still a lot of lots here left, okay? So if you don't wanna go with a move-in ready home, or if you're still ways out from purchasing a home, but you want to secure in this neighborhood, build out times are about 9 months, okay? So, just keep that in mind. As far as buyer's incentives, right now they currently have $5,000 towards your closing costs and also a fixed rate of 4.99%, okay? That's always subject to change. So definitely make sure that you know what the buyer's incentives are. Go ahead and reach out to me and I'll make sure that you're on top of that, okay? So as far as this community, guys, okay, so again, we are in Buckeye. This community is so convenient. You're literally 5 minutes away from the Sundance Town Center. In the Sundance Town Center, you'll have your Fry's Marketplace or your grocery shopping, your Walmart, your Lowe's. If you have pets, there's a PetSmart there. And hey, if you don't want your relatives, or if you have a bunch of relatives or friends coming to visit you, there's actually a Holiday Inn over there or a Home 2 Suites Hilton. So, they could just go over there and they could get a room there. Had to switch arms there because the shoulder was getting kind of tight. Okay, so also, if you're in the military, first of all, thank you for your service. I served in the Navy for 4 years. Okay, Luke Air Force Base is on the West Valley side, okay? Luke Air Force Base is about 25 minutes away, straight freeway, guys. You just hop on the I-10, which I-10 is literally like, 5 to 7 minutes away. And then you hop on the 303 loop. So if you are in the military, looking to purchase a home, you should definitely check around this area, okay? Specifically this community. If you are traveling from the airport, okay, you are 40 minutes away from the Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. That is the main airport here. And that's also straight highway, okay? That is the I-10, okay? And then last but not least, guys, things to do around this area. If you like more recreational stuff, there is a regional park here as well, okay? So if you like to hike, if you like to go, on dirt trails on your bike, that's a great area to be. I'll go ahead and put up a map and I'll show you exactly what regional park is close by. Also Westgate Entertainment District. So you're very close to Glendale as well, okay? Glendale has that Westgate Entertainment District, which is only 28 minutes away. In that same area, you have your State Farm Stadium, okay? You also have the new Mattel theme park that's going to be completed here soon, and also the Vi Resort. So if you love to go to concerts, there's going to be a man-made beach there as well. That's only 28 minutes away, guys. So the West Valley side, again, is growing. Buckeye is one of the fastest growing cities here. If I was looking to purchase here in Arizona, I definitely would take advantage of looking into Buckeye because homes here are still very affordable. I mean, the homes here are starting off in the mid 300,000s and then it goes up from there, okay? So if you have any questions on this specific floor plan, guys, or just have any other questions in any new construction communities here in Arizona, Again, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Take a look at all my other videos. I not only do the West Valley side, but I also do the East Valley side. Reach out to me. I'd love to answer any questions for you, make a personalized video for you. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.